Up, guys, welcome to today's class. We'll be talking about 7 golden rules of data analysis. And what do we mean by golden rules of data analysis? This framework is a step-by-step guide developed by a consulting firm in Nigeria called D. Brown Consulting to serve as a methodology for people to use, or a framework or step-by-step guide for people to use when they are cleaning their data. Most of the time, I've often seen people reaching out to me that they don't know what to check for when they are cleaning their data, or what are the things they need to look out for. So that's why these rules are in place for anyone, whether professional or a beginner or intermediate level, to check for while cleaning their data. So the most important part of this rule for analysts is that it lets us organize our data in a very crucial and efficient manner. So these rules provide optimal organization and faster data processing. So if you can follow these rules, then your data preparation is going to be easy and very fast. So you'll be, not only you'll be cleaning the data, you will also be following the best practices. Check out the next video for the first rule, and kindly download the the work files using the link pasted in the description, so that you can have access to the files and follow along. Thank you.